Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to our new YouTube video. Recently, I know that a lot of you cannot participate in our live streams, so I have decided to start providing some YouTube videos for you. Starting off with the analysis as usual, we're going to start off with BTC. So I want to make this chart from scratch, but I would like to keep it this way because we have done it on yesterday's live stream. But I'm going to explain what I've done over here. I have drawn this uptrend, which is well respected, as you can totally see. This one was well respected. We've had the first rejection, second, third, fourth. You can see we have broken from above, and the first time we retested it, we went up high super hard, and then another retest, and once we have finally broken from below, we have went for a retest, and then we've seen a large rejection that made us break below this 4 hours well respected horizontal level of support, which is now a resistance. So as you can totally see, we have broken from below of this horizontal level of support, which is 4 hours rectangle. This one was well respected as well. We've had the first retest, second, and the third retest, large movement on the third retest. Here we've also had reversal on the fourth retest as well, but then we have broken from below, just like we have seen on this trend, which is breakout from below, retest, and then rejection to the downside. Same thing goes to this horizontal level of support, which currently became the level of resistance. So we have broken from below of it. We are currently retesting, and hopefully we will see a rejection, except that if we zoom in to the 1 hour time frame, and this is why I like and I prefer choosing like different time frames. They help you understanding what's going on. Meanwhile, on the 1 hour time frame, we are currently noticing an inverse head and shoulders bullish pattern, as you can totally see over here. Let's just open a new chart, probably Coinex if it's accurate. As you can totally see over here on the 1 hour, or maybe, yeah, it's the 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes time frame, we are currently forming an inverse head and shoulders. Meanwhile, I believe that I would recommend using this as a neckline, but I would like to also use my 1 hour rectangle. So this level is the strongest level for me. Meanwhile, for the inverse head and shoulders, this should be the neckline. As you can totally see, we've had a fake out from above, grabbed liquidity, rejected to the downside. Right now we even formed another inverse head and shoulders, but it's on the 5 minutes time frame. So the reason why I've done this is that you guys should be careful. You guys should be careful because on the short-term time frame, things are looking bullish. So if you're using a stop loss, like if you have shorted late and you're using a stop loss that's above of this rectangle, I believe that you should lay your position for another time. And the stop loss for this scenario would be closure below the 0.618 Fibonacci, which is the CC level. So hold on a second right now. As you can totally see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is going to be the right shoulder. If we manage to break from above this neckline again, which is accurate, as you can totally see, here you've had the rejection, here you've had the rejection, another one, fake out, another one, and the current one. So if we actually break above 40,200, know that there could be a good chance of seeing a continuation to the upside. Breaking this level of rectangle would be easy as hell as well. So we could also draw a downtrend over here. Can we? At least we have these two rejections over here. So according to the longer term time frame, I'm looking for areas where we can pull back to the downside, because I don't believe that this inverse head and shoulders should be valid for a long time. So what I'm expecting, if we break from above, we could see a large movement to the upside until 4,600, and then we will drop from there. In case we're bullish, we should form a double bottom pattern from there, which will be the confirmation of bullish reversal for the crypto market. So for now, I don't really expect that we will go higher above this trend, even if we break above the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern and the horizontal 1 hour level of resistance. We will retest the trend and then just go down. In case we are looking for bullish breakout, it's going to happen from this level of support. So when are we looking for a bullish scenario? It will happen if we form a double bottom pattern over here. And in case we form a double bottom pattern, it should not break out immediately. We form the double bottom pattern, and then we will have this base over here. So we are not going to randomly long here. We will only long if we get our confirmation, which is a movement to the upside. We have a retest on the trend again, and then we will fill the base of the double bottom pattern. From here, we will be longing. The longs should be from here, which is going to be a limit order only set if we form double bottom pattern. So we are not going to long the second bottom. We will be longing the retest of the base, which is necessary and what's most of the time happens. So this will be the area of the consolidation, as you can totally see. This horizontal tangle would be the area of the consolidation. So even if we have a double bottom pattern, I believe that we will not break from above this area, which is 40,200, which is a psychological level of resistance because it's 40,000. So right now, I believe this is what's most likely going to be happening with Bitcoin, because most of people are looking to short right now, and I believe that soon we will be having the Ethereum ETF hype, so we should be looking for some short-term reversal. As you can totally see, our trend is also accurate, could be used correctly. In case we break from above, our resistance is going to be sitting around 41,800. So this will be the final TP of the double bottom pattern. So right now, this is our 1 hour time frame prediction for BTC. We form a double bottom pattern first, and then we will be longing this one. Moving on to the next chart, which is going to be on Ethereum. Things are going to be working differently for Ethereum. I have zoomed out to the daily time frame to show you this daily hidden trend, which is super accurate. As you can totally see, this is the first retest. Here we have had a rejection. We've broken from above, retested, and then went to the upside. I believe that we should be going for another retest over here. On Ethereum, we also could see that we've got for hours support rectangle. Right now, we're currently heading to it. And if we zoom into the 1 hour time frame, you will see that we currently have got a hidden trend as well. We could even see it on the 4 hour time frame. Over here, this one's the first, second rejection, third. See, we have broken from above it, then we have lost momentum, broke from below, and this was the retest. I believe that after the retest, we will fail to break from above, which will take us down again until the 4 hour support and the daily hidden trend, which would be enough to push higher. But the thing is that on the midterm time frame, I'm still bearish on Ethereum. As you can totally see, I'm still bearish on Ethereum because over here we've got the rally dump scenario, which is a bearish scenario, the opposite of dump rally scenario. So we have the rally dump scenario, we have an order block over here, This one is an order block. We have the 0.618 Fibonacci of this local move. And we have the weekly level of resistance. So this area would be full of short orders. So I believe that the first retest over here is super bearish, even if there's some hype built. There are a lot of orders that should be filled soon over here. This area is just full of liquidity, and I believe that we will have a retest again. Liquidity works like a magnetic, so there are tons of orders over here that should be filled. So the price would be going up soon, but first we should fill this area over here after breaking from below of the downtrend, the hidden one with the 4 hour time frame. We should continue going to the downside, and after that we will be filling the short orders before breaking from below. Meanwhile, for yesterday's live stream, we have provided you a signal for SEI, which is currently running in 29% profits, and we've got the ETC short as well, still around entry. So yeah, this one could be used as well as a position. Our other shorts are currently running in profits, like Nexo, USDT, currently running in massive profits. Currently running in massive profits, over 110% profits with X10 leverage. We've got the CTK USDT as well, currently in profits, reached all TPs, 140% profits. We've got the BCH short, over 160% profits, and soon we might switch to longs once we retest this dump rally scenario, like I've shown you earlier. Dump rally scenario, this is the base of the dump rally, so I believe that there could be a retest, a rejection to the upside, reversal I meant, to the upside, and then we will see if we break from below. And last but not least, we've got the Ally Cardano short, which also went massive profits, 170% profits. Then moving on to the signals that we have done 2 days ago, which were Solana and DOT. Solana is also currently running in profits. One of them reached second TP, one of them was about to reach second TP. Solana went close to the second TP, went for 80% profits. Meanwhile, DOT successfully reached the second TP. And the second target was not large as DOT USDT. But still, it's a good, quite amount of profits. 80%. So that's it for today. So I believe that this is the end of the video. We are going to make another one soon. Let me know what do you think about this video in the comments. This is the first one that we actually make on YouTube. The other videos were just a recap of live streams. This is the first video that I actually make for the channel. So let me know what you guys think.